Hello, amazing explorers! Welcome back to Dr. Mah English Academy, your Nano Explorer. Beep boop! Hi everyone, I'm Bip.
Every rainbow tells a story. It's science! Let's discover its secrets together.
That tiny raindrop is our next destination.
Beep boop! Nano scanner complete.
Nano portal activated.
Are we really going inside? Everything is getting bigger! Nano size achieved.
Wonderful! Now we can discover the secret hidden inside every raindrop.
Let's go! Wow! It's so beautiful raindrop. Beep boop.
Detecting sunlight changing direction.
Excellent observation, Bip. Our discovery.
Observe the sunlight. It separates into brilliant colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo,
And violet. These colors are always as fun. One tiny raindrop makes beautiful colors.
Every raindrop acts like a tiny natural prism. Millions of raindrops create
One rainbow. Beep. Now I know where rainbows come from. We solved another amazing science mystery.
Every question helps you discover something amazing.
See you in our next adventure.
Keep
Thanks for joining our science adventure.
beep boop.